In this video, I'll break down the top 5 digital pianos and which digital piano I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best digital piano and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Roland FP-30X. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels with its authentic acoustic feel thanks to the PHA-4 standard keyboard, which features hammer action, escapement, and textured ivory and ebony keytops for a realistic touch. Powered by Roland's supernatural sound engine, it delivers nuanced and expressive tones, with 256-note polyphony ensuring no dropouts even in complex performances. Its onboard stereo speakers provide clear and dynamic sound, enhanced by modes tailored for different placements like desks or stands. This model offers 56 high-quality voices, including 12 piano tones and 20 electric piano tones, allowing for versatility across genres. The ability to customize parameters like string and damper resonance adds depth to the playing experience. Bluetooth connectivity and dual headphone outputs make it ideal for practice or lessons. Compact yet robust, the FP-30X is portable without sacrificing build quality. At number 4, we have the Donner DDP-300. The DDP-300 impresses with its 88 fully weighted graded hammer action keys, delivering an authentic acoustic piano feel. Its sound engine, based on high-quality sampling from a 9-foot grand piano, produces a rich and immersive tone. The instrument supports 128-note polyphony, ensuring no drop notes during complex performances. With 10 built-in voices, including pianos, strings, and organs, it offers versatility for various musical styles. The dual 20-watt speaker system provides clear, distortion-free sound with a warm surround feel, suitable for home or small venues. Connectivity is a highlight, with Bluetooth MIDI, USB MIDI, and audio output options for seamless integration with external devices. The 3-pedal unit adds to its realism, while the intuitive control panel and duo mode enhance user experience and teaching potential. At number 3, we have the Kawai ES920. The ES920 excels with its stunning sound quality, powered by the Harmonic Imaging XL engine, which meticulously reproduces the rich tones of Kawai's SKX, SK5, and EX grand pianos. Its 88-key sampling ensures an authentic acoustic experience, while the 256-note polyphony allows for seamless performance of even the most complex pieces. The responsive Hammer 3 action enhances playability with grade-weighted keys, triple sensors, and let-off simulation, delivering a natural and dynamic touch. Built with portability in mind, the ES920 is lightweight yet robust, featuring a sleek matte finish. The 40-watt speaker system, developed in collaboration with Onkyo, produces a powerful and balanced sound with excellent depth across frequencies. Bluetooth connectivity for MIDI and audio adds versatility for modern musicians. Additional features like the Virtual Technician for sound customization and an intuitive OLED display make this digital piano a standout choice for home, studio, or stage use. At number 2, we have the Yamaha P525. This is our runner-up pick and excels in delivering a premium digital piano experience with its authentic sound and realistic touch. Its standout feature is the Grand Touch S keyboard, which uses wooden keys with synthetic ebony and ivory tops to replicate the feel of an acoustic grand piano. The graded hammer action ensures the keys are heavier in the lower registers and lighter in the upper, offering a natural playing experience that suits both beginners building technique and advanced pianists seeking expressive control. At its core, the P525 features Yamaha's pure CF sound engine and Bosendorfer Imperial samples, providing 2 distinct grand piano voices. The CFX voice offers bright, clear tones with powerful bass, while the Bosendorfer delivers a warm, rich Viennese sound. These voices are enhanced by virtual resonance modeling, which mimics the complex harmonics and resonance of a grand piano, adding depth and realism. The built-in dual 20-watt speakers project sound with clarity and balance, while features like intelligent acoustic control and stereophonic optimizer ensure an immersive experience even with headphones. With 256-note polyphony, 44 voices, and advanced effects like reverb and chorus, the P525 is versatile enough for home practice, live performance, or studio recording. At number 1, we have the Kawai MP11SE. This is the best digital piano you can buy on the market and offers one of the most authentic playing experiences available today. Its grand feel wooden key action is exceptional, replicating the touch of an acoustic grand piano with long wooden keys, precise weighting, and seamless transitions between white and black keys. Advanced players will appreciate its responsiveness and quiet operation, making it ideal for both practice and performance. The sound quality is equally impressive, driven by Kawai's progressive harmonic imaging XL engine. The Shigeru Kawai ES920 Concert Grand Sample delivers a rich, nuanced tone, complemented by additional grand and upright piano voices. Features like damper resonance, string resonance, and virtual technician allow for deep customization, ensuring the sound matches your preferences perfectly. The electric piano section also shines with realistic recreations of vintage tones like Fender Rhodes. The MP11SE is built with professionals in mind. It includes a triple pedal unit with optical sensors, enhancing precision and durability. The intuitive interface features independent sound sections, a backlit LCD screen, and robust MIDI controller capabilities with 4 assignable zones. Connectivity options include XLR outputs for stage use and USB recording functionality. With its premium build quality, expressive sound engine, and unparalleled key action, the MP11SE is a top-tier choice for serious pianists seeking an authentic digital piano experience. So that sums up my top 5 digital pianos. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.